Went thrift store shopping again the other day. Took my grandson with me. He found some little transformer cars he liked. And there's my kitty cat. I got this little plate. I got paint all over my hands. I don't know if it's anything special, but I thought it was so cute. It was 50 cents. Now the stand, I got it at another place. That place a little higher on that stuff. The stand was $4, but it was pretty, so I got it. And this little thing I got for 99 cents. I'll probably put like a small mannequin or something on it. And then I got that one. It might have been $3, $2, $3, I don't remember. And I got this one a while back. I just wanted to show it to you. So I don't remember what I gave for it, but I think it's cute. And I'm painting some different fish tonight. That's why I got the paint all over me. And I got a little tiny chandelier. Looks like it used to be gold, but I got it for $5. Oh, he's trying to get into my paint over here. And let's see. This was $1.99. I passed it up a lot. I like it, but I'm not really sure what I'll do with it. But I just went ahead and got it, and I got me a toy. It's 99 cents. But I think I might can do something with this to make it a decoration. I don't know. We'll see. I don't know when I'll get around to it, but... And then I've just got a few little items. I didn't get anything great this time. Except this flower. It was in a little container they have. It's a checkout counter. A lot of cheap stuff. It might have been $0.25. And I was like, oh yeah, I like that. And I got that stitch fabric. I'll do something with it, but it was 50 cents. And then I got this case of stencils. It's, you know, not serious stencils really, but oh man. Me and my boyfriend went to Michael's and Hobby Lobby tonight. Oh, the prices. I passed up a lot of stuff I liked. Just because I'm cheap. And 49 cents for this little bag. And I got this little, I guess it's like a slip with a bunch of lace. I can do something with that too. But isn't that beautiful? That and that flower. I think it's my favorite things. And so the plate and the flower together is probably 75 cents. But yeah, I thought that was awesome. And then I got my big stand I can put a mannequin on. If I can, you know, get around to making a bigger mannequin. And then get around to making a littler mannequin for stuff like that. But I just wanted to show you my little treasures. Bye.